Hello everyone, welcome to Cyberzone. I'm Samir. I'm here with another video today, and this is about setting up PHP Code Sniffer in PHPStorm. And let's get started. So first thing first, if you have not used PHP Code Sniffer before, you can check the GitHub link right here, and I'll also link to the article I'm showing you here on the description below, and you can go ahead and take a look at this documentation stuff here. So now let's move on. So first thing we will do is we will add code sniffer to composer JSON file. For the purpose of demonstration, we'll go ahead and make a new project in PHPStorm. All right. Okay, so it could be anything, just let's say sample, create. Now in sample we'll just use the terminal inside the PHPStorm here. Okay, so now we'll just initiate a new composer project, composer init. Alright, so we'll just do default things here. It's just enter skip. Okay, enter, and then no, we don't want to do dependencies interactively for now. No, you want to generate? Yes. Okay, so now if we go here and click, we should have a composer.json file. Here we will do the required dev, so we'll be adding this up. Okay, so we added the required dev here, the package of PHP Code Sniffer for composer. So now let's go ahead and install this from here. The reason we're doing this composer stuff from PHPStorm is that it usually does figures out the PHP Code Sniffer and does the setup for us, but I don't think it did this time. Yeah. Okay, so if it does not do it automatically, there's no problem. We can go ahead and do the adding the PHPCS path manually. So looks like this feature is not really stable for them, for PHPStorm. So it used to work before, but now it's not. So alright, let's go ahead and just check it out if we can do select the coding standard first. So we installed it through PHPStorm composer install. Now let's go ahead and check it to settings, and we'll be going to the we'll be going over here in step 3. So file, settings, editor, inspections, PHP, quality tools, PHP Code Sniffer. So that's what it is. Or we can just say search right here to it says Code Sniffer, and then we'll reach to the editor, inspection. That's where we want to go, and right here. So here, of course, this is, we need to select this first. We have nothing on the list. Is okay, so we have a Code Sniffer path empty error. So this happens when it cannot detect automatically. So for that, I've the article, I've written in the article here. So we have this optional step 4 to let PHPStorm know the path. So if we get this error, we'll need to do this optional step 4. So for that, let's go to the file, settings, language and frameworks, PHP, then Code Sniffer. So if I go over here, then Code Sniffer, and then if we go and click on the 3 dots over here, then the folder, let's select our project, which is in Laragon sample. So inside the sample, we need to go to the path of PHPCS. So PHPCS.bat for Windows, and for Linux and Mac you can select PHPCS. Okay, so now let's click apply, and then let's click OK. And okay, so now let's go back to inspections. We should be able to refresh and get a list of, so it's awesome. So let's select PSR2. You can select any coding standard you want, but then normally we use PSR2 in PHP, so that's the default standard. Okay, All right, so now let's go ahead and make a sample file to test our sniffer. PHP file test. Okay, so all right, now we can just let's make a function and test it out. Function test. Okay, so now it shows you the PHPCS error when you go there. Opening brace should be on a new line, so backspace. All right, there you go. And if we do if true and bracket, now there's an error because statement has empty, so that is not PHPCS, that is PHPStorm. Yeah, so now we can see the errors here. PHPCS says blank line found in start of control structure, right? So okay, first let's go ahead and just write echo test so that the if statement won't be empty. Now we can see that we need a space after if keyword, that's the standard, and then we also need one space after the closing parenthesis, so one space. Okay, so if you do this, now it's working and our code is valid according to the standard. And if I just make some mistake, it will again it will give you the live update. There you go, it says one space expected. Okay, that was it. This was a short video on how to do the setup of PHP Code Sniffer in PHPStorm. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be with you in next video. Bye.